Hi guys, I'm now trying to install the illuminated door seal for my Volvo XC90. So I got this from the stockist. Currently my Volvo T5 doesn't have any illumination over here. Here, what we have got here, some harness and this illuminated door seal. Alright, let's try to install. There's this footwell light over here. So what I do is I'll just push from the back, push it down, get the connector out, connect this to the new door seal harness. So we have the harness here. So if you can see, this connector will connect to the footwell connector here. And then this will connect to this light, and we'll run the cable in through to the side here to the door seal light. Right, let's do it. Do this in one hand. Push this whole thing back in. The harness have run through the other side over here. Okay, now we connect the door seal.